Hey, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in the last session, we are able to set up the Azure, you can say the Visual Studio Code as well as the Terraform. So in this session, we have to set up the Azure CLI. So let's go to the VM and we have to download the Azure CLI. Then we can set up it. Okay. So let me find out the exe file for the Azure CLI. Download the Azure CLI for Windows, right? You can say, yeah. It's you can see the first link you have to open. Then we have to download the MSI, or you can say the installer for the 64-bit, because I'm using the Windows 10 64-bit. So let me download the installer, or we can say it is the MSI file. Okay, so once downloaded the exe file, then we have to set up it. So let me click on accept the term and condition to set up the Microsoft Azure CLI. Let me set up it first. I think I tried to set up 2 or 3 times. Let me close it, the duplicate one. It will take another couple of minutes, so please stay with me and let it complete first. So in the meantime, we can close the the Visual Studio Code, because once get installed the Azure CLI, make sure we have to stop, or you can say we have to close the Visual Studio Code, and after that we have to reopen it, so that like the whatever the our Azure CLI has been installed, so it can be impacted, or you can say it can be affected, right? So in order to affect this Azure CLI, we have to reopen the Visual Studio Code. So that has been closed. So let it complete this Azure CLI, and after that we have to reopen the our Visual Studio Code and to run this AZ command, or you can say to check the AZ version whether it is working fine or not. It is very straightforward. You just need to download the exe file and you have to just click on next to finish. Okay, that's it. Is very straightforward. Okay, so let me reopen this Visual Studio Code and let me go to the terminal. Or I think terminal will be restore automatic. Yeah. Let me do AG login. Okay. Oh, that's it. Yeah, we have to actually we have to run like AG. Okay, hyphen version to see what is the AG version. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, you can see AG is working fine. Okay. If I run AG login, it seems it is working fine. Let me see AG version. Yeah, so it seems AG CLI has been installed successfully in our laptop, I mean in our VM. So in the next session, we have to deploy a simply Terraform code to create the resource group, okay, through the Terraform using our Visual Studio Code, okay. Thank you guys. So I will connect in the next session. So till the time, thank you and bye-bye.